Introducing the highly cost-effective Vinyl4 range of vinyl cutters from AM.CO.za. Perfect for the hobbyist, startup companies, and big businesses alike. The Vinyl4 Hobby is available in 720mm and compares to the popular V series in functionality. The Vinyl4 Studio is available in 720 and 1350mm and compares to the popular V Smart in functionality. And the top of the range, Vinyl4 Business, is on its way. Finally, quality can come at very affordable prices with the all-new Vinyl4 range from AM.CO.za. Visit vinyl4.com for more information and to find installation and training videos on the amazing range of Vinyl4 vinyl cutters.